Welcome to the Odyssey Forge Pro Lite tutorial, your comprehensive guide to customizing your store with ease and professionalism. Head over to the 3D Model tab to add your own objects. Click on Choose File to select the desired 3D model for your store. From the list of uploaded models, choose the one you intend to use. Click within your store layout to seamlessly position the 3D object exactly where you envision it. Fine-tune the object's location, rotation, and scale to achieve your desired presentation, and click Update to save changes. For uploading custom textures, begin by selecting the object. Navigate to the Textures tab. Click on Upload Image to import your desired image directly from your PC. Adjust the dimensions to precisely fit your specifications. Once satisfied with the modifications, simply click Update to save your changes effectively. You are provided with the choice to silence music. Elevate the atmosphere of your store by selecting ambient music from the available options. Alternatively, inject your own personality into the space by uploading your preferred audio track. The Settings tab offers a multitude of features to enrich your client's shopping experience. Discover a concise hotkey menu and various other controls designed to optimize interaction within your store environment. Redefine your online presence with Odyssey 3D.